Okay, so let me give you generic topic, and that topic, all of you must be aware about that topic. So we will go for group discussion for that topic. All the things are known to you, and how to introduce, how to conclude, and all these things are you are already aware. Anything you want to ask before I go for and give you a topic? Anything you want to ask? Okay, so please write the name of the topic. Online education, pros and cons. Online education, pros and cons. Online education, pros and cons. There's the topic. Okay, so I think now we can start. So Priyal, can we start with you?
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Priyal, and today the topic which we have been given for GD is online education, pros and cons. So I think in view of the pandemic of COVID-19, the entire education system had shifted online. And in the online mode, it has affected the the medium of education in several ways. We have both pros of online education and cons as well, but I firmly believe the pros outweigh the cons. To account for a few pros, like for example, now students can study with the preference of their own teacher at their own pace, at their own comfort. Also, I think online education saves on the traveling fatigue. Traveling in extreme weathers like extreme summer, or whether it's a very heavy rainfall. And I think nothing can replace the original blackboard teaching, and also physical competition. So the motivation doesn't come along that well. So this was it from my side. Thank you.
Okay, Vipul.
Yes, sir. Okay, so good evening, everyone. My name is Vipul, and the topic given to us today is of very current relevance. And the topic is online education pros and cons. So, the online in the era of in this pandemic, um, the whole, as already said, that the whole education system has been shifted to online system. So, it has both pros and cons. And I firmly believe that the cons actually outweigh the pros, because see, we as a developing nation, we are not really ready for the online education system. Also, even if we are ready, I believe the old school system works much better in providing education. And anyone actually, going to school and interacting with people is something that everyone should experience. If a child is trapped in his own home and learning just books and theories, then that's not a complete education in my opinion. So I think this house will discuss both the pros and cons, and at the end we will reach some consensus.
Okay.
With this, I open the house.
Vaibhav, please unmute yourself.
A very good evening, all of you. I am Vaibhav. I am glad to start the discussion. Today's topic for discussion is online education pros and cons. In my view, this topic is of current relevance. So, the pros and cons is that on online education, this benefit the long distance education. The student who live in the remote areas get much benefit, and is one of the pros is that we have repeatedly revision or review when you want, and its disadvantage is that who watch the who do the annual online education, they are not attentive. They do when they watch this, and they the side effect that we are have continuously viewing the video on the mobile or laptop. That's why there is effect on our eyes or our body, and teacher student are not attentive in this. They have not attentive, and like student is sitting in front of the teacher, so they are totally dependent, so they have totally concentration on this. And thank you, sir.
Okay, now I think Chandan, you can go ahead.
Good morning, friends. My name is Chandan Kumar, and I would like to initiate the discussion on the given topic, that is the online education, pro and cons. Friends, as we all know that education is one of the important aspects of our development of any society. So it's a very interesting and very relevant topic that need to be discussed in different dimensions. Like first, online education and its pro and cons, and other dimension, it's a regulation by the government, how it is well regulated by government and another like family member. So on so I'd like to open the house for discussion on each and every dimension. So on this note, I pass the discussion to my other fellow members. So please go ahead.
Vinayak.
Good evening, friends. My name is Vinay. I take an opportunity to start the group discussion. Friends, the topic given us for today's discussion is online education, pros and cons. Friends, I think the topic is very interesting, and it is now due to COVID, it is of current relevance topic also. Friends, there are some phones like convenient time. So anytime we can listen to videos, or it does not depend night or evening, morning. Whenever we have time, we can listen. And as compared to offline, it saves money also, some money. Because when we go for offline, it will take the charges of the rent and whatever it may be. But some money also will be saved, and there is a lot of flexibility. Like if we miss the class, we can listen once again, and if we have any doubt, so once again we can without asking the teacher also, we can listen that video, so that it will be useful for us. But there are cons also, like we do not have the interaction that physically we will be having, and there will be self direction we should have. So normally in offline, the teachers will be guiding students very nicely. But in online, the student should they should guide. And some health related problems are also coming in due to this online education. And by using this, some small children, like fake news and fake links will be also coming. I think this is the major disadvantage, because children don't know when they are using this online education, they will click any link, so that it will be harmful also. So I think these are some pros and cons thing. So I think in this group discussion, we can have a nice points. So now I invite you all to participate in this group discussion.
Karan, go ahead.
Hello, you called me, sir?
Yeah, Karan.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening, friends.
Sorry, Karan.
Good evening, friends. My name is Kiran. I'm initiating the group discussion. Today, the given topic is online education, pros and cons. I believe that the online education is having some pros, and as well as some cons. In my opinion, I think the cons are more compared to the pros. So some of the cons I would like to mention, sir, that the students are not getting social life. They are always watching this video and all. And the problem with the network, that is, the students that they are living in remote areas, they are not having access to the network, so they are not able to participate in the online videos lectures. And this is a burden to parents, because parents has to concentrate more on those students, basically mainly for the working parents, those who won't be in the home. And some pros I would like to mention are that long distance education can be possible. The students living in remote areas can access the education system without going to the college and without going to the hostel, and the students can attend at any time, without in the morning or night, anytime they can watch the videos. And so these are some points that I would like to mention, and I am opening this for discussion.
Sagar. Sagar, go ahead. Okay, I think we can go with Vatsal then.
Okay, good evening, friends. My name is Vatsal. As we all know, the topic given to us for group discussion is education, online education, pros and cons. So, as we all know that technology has changed our life in many aspects, and education is has also affected through it. And because of COVID restriction, it was it has to be used to its full levels, and it has many advantages also. But I think that currently our country is not that much equipped with all the equipments, and majorly the problem is with the persons who are not equipped with equipments. Means, if we can say, it will increase the disparities of socio-economical disparities, as in many localities they are not having the devices to access network, and even if they have, then they have limited number of mobile phones. So in that case, if they have 2 or 3 children, then only one can use that at a time. So that is also a problem. And other problems are that socialization is also a major issue which the current generation will face in future.
Okay, Sagar, you're there now? Unmute yourself, Sagar. Unmute.
Hello.
Hmm.
So sorry, my pet name is Sagar. My name is Ashish.
Okay, Ashisha.
Yes, yes.
Ashish.
Good evening, everyone.
Hmm.
Good evening, everyone. I'm glad to start the discussion. The topic is online education or online teaching, pros or cons. In my opinion, the topic is of current relevance and is quite interesting. First, I would like to say that changes are inevitable. And this first we will for talking or discussing this topic, online education, first we will look into the parameters on which the online education depends, and on what respect, on what grounds it affects the education of people. First is cost. We will talk about cost. We will talk about its flexibility. We will talk about whether how it affects the social life, and what are the network issues, what are the equipments required. So I would like to invite all the participants to join the discussion and talk about the various parameters of this online education.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
I think everybody has participated in the first round now. There is an introduction round. And now we enter into the second round, which is the discussion among you. So approximately 10 minutes we will discuss, and each one of you will give your points and listen to others' points, come to some kind of consensus if possible, and then conclude at the end. And conclusion also, each one of you will be given 1 minute to conclude. So I open the house for discussion among all of you now.
So we all know that this online education, most important thing is that the cost. We all know that today we can read
we have to
PDFs.
talk about the pro and cons of
Talking
online
about my
education.
example, I
We
prepared
have
the
to
game.
talk about
I
the
beg
pro
to
and
differ.
last
I beg to
year
differ
with
here,
this online
Mr.
education and many multiple PDFs.
Ashish. I would like to differ here. The most important thing is not the cost. I think the most important thing here is the education. The important thing is the education. What the important thing is if you are learning or not. And
Yeah, I will also like to support people that
And
the
the thing
quality
is,
of education is of more concern
Education is
here.
important, but
If
Yes, I know
at
that
low
you
cost,
you all have given
if
right
quality
point.
of education is degraded, then
I
there
would
is
like
no
to tell you
meaning of that.
that this cost is a very important thing.
cost
for
is
the
very important in a
developing
country like
like
India. I
India.
totally agree with that.
You
But
all know.
yeah, I agree with that.
but even more important is the learning process. If you're learning from the education system or not. So if you look
Yes,
at the online,
my friend.
Guys, I
look at the online
think,
system.
I think what the point Ashish is trying to make is cost could be a pro and
Yeah.
it could be a con.
Yeah,
Pro in
exactly.
the sense that you are saving on the traveling cost, you're saving on the residential cost, but cons that you are investing in the device cost. Device of a laptop, device could be a
Definitely,
tab.
definitely, I completely
Yeah,
And then
online
in
education cost
in
is
that
more compared to the
in that
traveling
case,
cost. Because for
even the
traveling and all, we are getting some concession and all. But look at the online education cost. Because if the one parent have two children, my brother is having two children, so he daily he need more than 3 GB data for online education alone.
right.
So for
and
that,
apart from that,
monthly
in
around
some
300
families,
rupees,
it is
more than 600
observed.
rupees.
Friends, online
In-
education is just not about watching these videos. It's all about, you can get the many PDFs, many books in some small format. You do not have to carry high weighted books here and there.
Yeah, but for self-study,
But
that is
you will have to
sufficient.
take
But
classes,
if
right?
we will compare
Ashish,
to
you
the
will have to take
schooling
classes
system, in
if
which
you
there
are
are
taking
regular
formal
classes,
education.
That is one
I
aspect.
think-
mentor are
That
there.
is one
So in
aspect,
that
friends.
case, you have to see
And
Guys,
videos.
I think
Yes,
I would like to
definitely.
And
add
one
here a
more
point
point,
that the body
Traditional
language, the
education
body
is
language of
definitely
students
important.
remains underdeveloped because they are
Right.
not presenting projects, they are not presenting PPTs, they are not coming in front of a mass and speaking, practicing public speaking. So I think the body
yes.
language remains underdeveloped in
and
online
it has been
education.
also estimated that
Definitely.
because
And
of this
I
2
think I would
years
like to say
lockdown,
here that
optimized way.
as
Optimized
a
way.
concept,
Like
the online education system is a very good tool. It's very helpful for students, but I don't think it can be replaced with the system, because we
no,
already could watch
replacement is
videos
not
online.
what. We
Right.
have to use it
We
optimizedly.
had
You
to
see,
move to
you
this because
you
of
see,
compulsion,
like
because of the
technical
pandemic.
things
Yes,
like
yes.
videos.
In my
Like if
opinion,
we are in online engineering, we have to see many turbines and many things which only we can visualize through videos. That is not through the 2D image that is given in the book.
Yeah, that's what
and
I'm saying.
traditional
Right.
education.
yes,
Right.
yes,
We-
That is
that's
That's
very
why
important.
that's why it is very
But I would like
helpful.
to add
Sorry,
one thing on
Ashish,
that.
adding to your point, I think also we are not having industrial visits anymore, industrial
Right.
trips anymore, seminars anymore. So I think that also, it lacks the online system.
I think
So guys,
here we are
I
more
think
concentrated
the way
on
forward
course
is the
and all.
coexistence of
Let's
both the
But
I think
systems.
Ashish got the point that we have the online education,
Not
but in the
graduation,
offline
access of digital
education, we have
technology.
also used the technology
Gender
to
gap in the access of digital technology. There are also, it is
So
also
guys, I
one of the
think
important
the way
factors.
forward here
Yes,
is
yes,
the coexistence existence of the
completely
both
agree with
the
you.
systems.
And traditional education
Yes,
is very
Vipul,
helpful
totally
for
agree with you,
those
Vipul.
So
for those who do
a
not
student can
who
go
are
to
not
school and come back, and
You see,
wherever
there are
he
many
has doubts, he
people who
can
need
take courses. If the courses are not available in the school, he can buy some courses and learn at home. So this is a very good tool. I'm not saying that
this is what I am
it's a
telling. This is
nuisance
what
or
I'm
anything.
telling you, my
It's a very
friend.
good tool.
That
Also,
online
Vipul,
education,
one more solution could
online
be
education
having
is
a
helpful
odd
for
even
those
like they had for
who,
vehicles in Delhi,
you see,
the odd even rule
when they are self-disciplined,
for
then
coexistence of both the
really
systems.
use the online education. There are different times we use online education. For some time you use traditional education. So you have to
Right,
use it judiciously and optimally. For like
Right.
technical things, you can use the video. And for those who are not self-disciplined, who cannot study with them, for them the traditional education is very important.
So the
For like
formal
the children,
for online
the
we
formal
can
the
view
formal
when you
system has to be
want.
offline only.
Repeatedly we
The
can
online
take
system
an
can only
our topic is weak
only can
in some
help you.
point.
It cannot
If
replace the system.
if
Okay.
our,
Yes, yes,
we are
you
not
cannot
talking about
Okay, well,
replacing, my friend. We are not talking about replacing. We are talking about judicious use of this online education.
right.
How we can
I
use
agree
it.
with that. Right, Ashish.
At
Right.
earlier age, for getting self-discipline, we can use traditional education. Once we get self-discipline,
Right.
then we can use the online education
Yeah, but
judiciously.
No, I don't
Technical
think
videos, learning new
one
things.
and again. I think it has to be done together. It's not like once you are self-disciplined, then you
Yes,
can go to
yes, definitely.
online.
Yes, I completely
Right.
agree.
Also, discipline, I think, comes when you see others, being
right.
disciplined. So here, the
Right.
visible competition is not there. You don't have any social life as such. You don't talk with your friends. You see your friends, but through these rectangles. And I think that can never be replaced with the face-to-face talking or face-to-face conversation.
Face-to-face.
Yes,
I think
yes.
this
And
online
even
education, online
learning.
education, this
Higher
in
promotes,
my
education,
view,
I
the
think,
main
graduation
disadvantage
level
of
and upper
online
can be
education
using
is
online
that we
education.
don't ask the
But
query
lower
about
levels
sir.
is
If
the
we have any
traditional
query
education.
at that point, we ask the sir, what is the problem and this is my query, how we solve. But in online education, we have to type and that's the way we have. And in online
Yes, yes.
education,
But
repeatedly revision.
Vaibhav, I would like to slightly disagree with you here. I think because of the anonymity involved in the online system, students are more free to ask. And
Yeah,
in
I
fact,
agree
in
with
the,
Priyal here. I
traditional
agree with
classroom
Priyal here.
teaching, they are more hesitant.
But they are hesitant, but they are developing their self-confidence
And
in
I want
that
to add
case,
some points.
and
Like that-
those qualities are
But
also
only a
developed there.
few are able to manage to ask. Not everyone, not everyone finds the courage to ask questions.
But they have to develop.
I
So
agree
that can
that
be
point,
taught
but
in
but sir,
offline
do the
learning. So that
permission
is
to ask in alone, or they come though who
Yes,
are
they
not
are-
there to
there are options
ask
for
question
that
in
also.
class.
They
They
can go
come
and
to
ask
their
in
room
person
or
also.
ask our personal question.
I am also disagree with you that there are many apps like Telegram. There are many Telegram groups in which you can ask questions and they will answer. There are many people online. They will solve your questions freely in Telegram groups. So,
But they are
this
not
problem
authentic
solving from
sources, so
different
you cannot
areas.
trust
They
them
are not
You
as the
can't
way you
ask
are
that
trusting
our
the
sir who
Sagar,
is teaching us,
faculties
all
or
are not
professor
ask
of your
them, right?
college. If that is the case, then
No,
you can.
authenticity. If you are if you
The
are
main
asking questions, you definitely have some kind of knowledge to decide whether it is wrong or not right. You
It's
are
not
not
always
that
it's not always the
fool
case,
that
Ashish.
you could
It's
not
not always the
understand
case.
whether it is
No,
right or wrong.
I disagree with
No,
you,
no,
Ashish.
because we are
No,
studying from
At the level
different
of
sir, so we
professor,
can
then why
ask
are we
that
going
sir
to
only, so
college?
it will be easy.
the main
What is the
disadvantage of
needs of
online
your
education
professor,
is
need of
on
their
eyes.
professors
We
in
are
college and
continuously to
schools?
watch the video. The radiation from mobile or laptop that affects our life and our life
Yes,
circle that
Yes.
changes.
the
I would
health
like to
issues
Yeah,
That
there.
is
So
I
Vaibhav, I
agree.
think apart from the eye
disadvantage of
strain that you have
online
mentioned, we are also
online
facing
education.
backbone problems by
okay.
sitting all throughout the day. We are facing
Yes,
problems in
yes.
backbone.
There is also gender gap.
We used to indulge into physical activities like playing on the ground. That is also missing here in this online education. We used to climb stairs. We used to walk to the classrooms, run in the corridors. All those things are
I
missing.
think we are missing one more, that is personality development skills we are missing in this online education, I think, because
Right,
we are
personality
sitting only and we are alone only maximum. So I think these personality development skills are very necessary for everybody, because this
Yes, I agree
only
with you.
future.
Social life is definitely very
The main
important.
disadvantage is we
So,
do not mix with friend. In the offline, we have different
Sagar,
vision.
I think we are
People come from
very
different
back to
area
the pros
and
and
we
cons.
There is
I
also
think we should talk
communicate,
about the way
and
forward.
it is the learning.
one of very important disadvantage of digital technology, that is the gender gap. Gender gap in the access of digital technology.
Chandan,
Yes,
I
I
don't
agree.
see any
But one
gender
thing I
gap
would
in the
like
online
to add for
system.
the
Gender gap has
is
been
that
already
that is it
existing
provides
before
each
the
of the
online
people.
system.
No, but
It
it
is
has
also
increased
advanced.
because
It
of
is
this
also-
online education. As if in a family, if
It
there
is
is
also
a boy and a
it is
girl,
also a con.
then the privilege is given to boy. Although it is wrong, but this practice has been going on in our society.
Yeah, that is the
It is
problem of
So I'm
society, not the online
trying
system.
to make this point
Vatsal.
that
There
it
is
is also
actually-
it is
Because of
also
online
one of the
system,
major
it is
disadvantages.
There is
increased
a
this
total
gap.
Online
social
teaching and
isolation.
Education.
That is
No,
different
there is
topic
only
entirely.
isolation. There is no gender gap.
Gender
I
gap,
don't
I
think
don't
there is
see.
a gender
I don't
gap.
see any gender
Of
gap
course,
there.
It has increased the gender
Gender gap
gap.
is already in the
can't-
society, not in the online system.
You
I
can't
would like
give
to
the
add one more point that this online
in
education
family
has
member.
provided each and every individual of this country to right to education. Earlier, if no government can try to assess these many equipments in different school and
What
provide
are
better
you
network.
saying, Sagar? Sagar, what are you saying? It's theoretically might be correct, but practically, if you see in
No,
the society,
not theoretical.
then
I am
it
telling you
exists.
that no government has
Practically,
that
if you see,
opportunity. Earlier, we do not
because-
have that opportunity. Not
Because
possible that
if
time.
there is a priority comes, then
It is possible.
why have superior priority than girls in so many houses in the society?
That is completely different thing. my
Chandan,
friend.
that is
Just
right.
follow the
That is right.
social-
What you are saying is
different
right, but it's not relevant to the topic. I don't see
Yes,
it.
guys, I think we are
It is the-
deviating from the
It's
topic.
irrelevant.
We are
It's
deviating
irrelevant.
from the topic.
Accessibility
I
is also
think I would like
important
to add
for
one more point
online
that
education.
here we are talking about the people who are having access to the online education system. But there is
Definitely.
another category of
Yeah.
students who is not having any access to this online education.
That is
Their
right,
knowledge
right,
is
Kiran,
not-
right, Kiran.
is not
That is
there.
what
Access
you
of
are
digital
saying, that
technology
Even I
is
think
very
there is a
important for the
huge
online education.
divide in the country. Many economically weaker sections of the society do not have access to all these
Right.
devices that we so casually are using. I think
Yes,
that is
yes.
a very huge problem in the nation.
That is
Yes,
a
that
huge
is
problem.
what I'm
But
telling you,
yeah,
that,
that-
In
right.
online education, they
Accessibility is one of
use
the
the
important
We're
PDF
talking about the
format
system.
notes, and in the
Accessibility is
offline we have
also one of
used
the
to
important
make a notes
factor
or
in
continuously
digital
writing or
technology.
problem. That is the main disadvantage in online. In online,
Either it is-
teachers
it
give
is-
freely
it is for
their
economic
notes,
because
and that's why we do not make
Guys,
our
I
own
think,
notes, or
Real.
not written our own notes, not
I'm
prepared
trying to
notes.
say that
That is the main disadvantage in online.
I'm trying to say that accessibility of the digital technology is one of the problem. Either it is in the dimension of economic weaker section, or gender gap, or in any dimension. Accessibility is one of the important
accessibility is a very
I think,
important problem.
friends,
Yeah,
I
it
would
is
like
a
to bring
problem.
in a
Not
very
everyone can
important point of
something
view
to do in
here
that
that we all have
we all
not thought
may
about
have
yet.
some old
I think
phones and all. We can
when
give
teachers
these
used to
old
teach us
phones
in
to
the
the student
classroom,
who is
they
not
used to
having
bring
online
out some personal experiences and personal notes. Now in the online mode, they just stick to the subject and stick to the teaching. In the classrooms, they used to tell us stories and their experiences of life. I think that is also missing in the online mode.
And one more
Right,
here, the
right.
teacher
I
can't
agree
focus
with
on
Priyal
every
here.
student in this
The
online
personal
class.
touch
Teacher
is
can't
completely
focus.
missing.
So I think
Yes.
this is also missing, because in offline class the teacher will focus on every student maximum, but in online I think the teacher can't focus on all this.
Any
So
student,
this
right?
is all.
Yes,
Yes,
personal.
I think this is
I
the
agree.
disadvantage. I think.
Yes.
I think here I would
So
like to
guys,
add that the online
And
education
there is
system
also
is
we
as
should
one of the
also talk about
disadvantage
the
is
way
the
forward here. What
regulation
can
by
be
the
the way
government.
forward?
Like in
The
Jammu and
system is
Kashmir,
good.
Like in Jammu and
Both are
Kashmir.
system.
Like in Jammu and Kashmir,
Okay, Jammu and Kashmir, yeah, right.
happening the 2 and 3 months certain lockdown of the digital.
So yeah, in compulsion we had to move to the online
It
system.
is also one of the
Online, yes.
disadvantage.
It's not an ideal system of education. If it was an ideal system of education, we would many countries would have already be doing it, but they are not.
The thing that I'm trying to say
schools
that
are
it
opening. Why are
may
they
be a
opening?
disadvantage.
Because we know that the personal touch is important. The social
yes,
interactions are important. So at the end, I think we should talk
Yes,
about
yes,
the
I
way
agree
forward.
with you.
Yes,
And
yes.
we should talk about the way
I think we
forward.
should talk about how we can
Problem
deal
of
with the
network
cons.
is also important.
Yeah, we should also
Talk
talk
about
about
Channel,
how
we
let
can
us talk
add
about
it in
let us
digital way,
talk about how
optimized
we
Problem
can.
of the
Yes.
remote areas of network is also one of the important.
Yeah,
factors.
that is also.
If we say climate is also one
I mean
of the
that is an issue of infrastructure mainly.
in
But
flood
we should talk
areas,
about that.
in flood areas, the whole system was disrupted. Then the accessibility is also one of the it is also one of the disadvantages of the digital education.
I think during this COVID, they are giving
add to
this
the
online
situation
education is good only. But when this COVID will finish, or when we will come to this offline classes, the school children, which they don't know how to study also, when they come to school, surely they will be facing a lot of difficulties in learning the offline classes, because so many are addicted to online classes. So it will be very difficult when they come to offline. I think they should see on how to provide the offline classes also. They should
I think
focus.
one thing I would like to add is that
I
we
add
completely-
one point that
we
in the
completely
offline
are
classes
focusing
we
on one
take
thing,
help
that is
from our
online
friends.
video.
Every student
Online
has some
video is not
special
the only thing.
subject that
online or live classes is not that only thing that is happening.
so we
Online
take help
education
from
is
this,
also
and
about
we in the offline
which
classes we
downloaded
make
videos
a
on
group
YouTube.
studies
Okay,
that the
friends,
benefit.
environment
one at a
is also
time,
one of the
okay.
important factor. Lack of the educational environment is also one of the important factors.
Okay,
Actually,
so
that
I
is
think
very important.
now
I
we
know.
go
Right,
for
right.
I am telling you that
okay, now
online
we
education is
don't
not just
see
about online
digital
videos,
education.
online classes.
We have to
Let's
go
It is
for
conclude
about
the
now.
online videos
and
that is available on YouTube for NPTEL.
Okay, let's conclude
Yes,
now.
sir.
So I start with
I would glad
Priyal. Wait,
I am
Sagar.
glad
Yes,
to.
sir.
Okay, Ashish, wait. Everybody will conclude. So starting from Priyal.
Yes. So I think, guys, we all had a very fruitful discussion, and I'm glad to be a part of such a good discussion on a very good topic. Online education, we've shifted to online mode under a compulsion. So it is not that it is a very efficient system. We've seen there are several inefficiencies, and till the school opens up and we shift to the traditional teaching, there are a lot of scope of modifications. We've talked about the pros of the online mode, which is that you can watch it in your own pace, in your own comfortable atmosphere. but I was of the opinion that pros outweigh the cons. But I think my opinion has shifted after this discussion. The cons outweigh the pros now, I'm thinking. I think firstly, we talked about cost, which could be a pro and a con. We are still facing that the body language of the children remain underdeveloped in online mode. There are no industrial visits now. Also, we are lacking the personal touch of the teachers, and the students are not getting that personal attention that they used to get in the traditional teaching. Also, there could be medical problems like eye strains and backbone problems, and physical exercise has been limited down in the online mode. So these were all the points that we discussed, and that was all from my side. Thank you.
Okay, Vipul, go ahead.
So am I audible now?
Yeah.
So guys, we had a very fruitful discussion, and I'm very glad to be the part of this discussion. And I think it was a bit rough at times, but at the end we agreed on most of the points. So we talked about the first thing that we talked about was the cost, and then how it affects us. We talked about the what is the most important thing. It is the education, and then we talked about how it is shaping the personality, how the online system is shaping the personality of kids and also elders, to say. We discussed gender gap. We did discuss gender gap, but most of us was not of the opinion that it is a problem with online system. We also discussed accessibility, which is a problem. We all agreed to that. And at the conclusion level, we also discussed the good things, that the good things about the online system. It is very comfortable. You can take any class at any time at your own comfort. So these are the good things. But we did agree that it cannot replace the whole system of the offline teaching. And at the end, we concluded that the way forward is coexisting of both the systems. The online system is very is a very good tool, but at the end of the day, it cannot replace the offline system. So that's all that was from my side.
Okay, Chandan.
I took the opportunity to conclude the discussion. Sir, the discussion was quite rough. Everyone has their own point of view, and all of the members gave their separate point of view. According to my opinion, and as per the whole house, there are pro and cons both in the online education system. First, we talk about the pros. That is the comfort level and the saving the cost and time of going outside, and the climate. If we like in rainy season, children are not able to go outside for the classes. So these are the pros that we discuss, and then the cons, that is the accessibility problem, network problem, the network problem of the remote areas, flood areas, and the online. And on this note, sir, the way forward is that it should be coexisting. Online education is not the ideal condition for the education system. So there should be both online education along with the offline education. So on this note, I end up my conclusion.
Vaibhav? Unmute yourself, Vaibhav.
Okay, friends, I take the opportunity to conclude on the behalf of all. Friends, we have a very good discussion. All of you are divided on some point, and some are on pros, some on cons. So we could not have a smooth discussion. So there are some really good points also. Some of you on pros, that the remote area student get the benefit. In the weaker point, we can improve that point, and we have repeatedly revision so that we improve our studies. Then cons says there is the side effect on eyes and bad effect on ear also. The health system got damaged and teacher have eye on every student, and they and ask the question immediately. And
Okay, now I think Vinayak.
Okay, friends, I take an opportunity to conclude the discussion. Friends, we had a good discussion, and it was not as much as smooth discussion. We had somewhat rough discussion also. I think as this online education is beneficial for students as well as teachers also in during this COVID-19 pandemic situation, but it cannot be an sustainable alternative to an classroom learning. It can be just a supplement we can have, but internet access should have every children we should see when we are doing this online education. We have discussed, and some of the pros we have discussed, like we can see the videos at a convenient time, and it saves money, and like comfort level also it has been increased somewhat, and we have the flexibility also we have discussed, and we will not be not having like the personality development skills will be not having. And as Priyal said about the, we do not have the industrial visit like this due to this COVID also, and due to this online education, no practical life we can't having. So during this online only, and no face-to-face like interaction also we are not having, and some health related issues also we have talked, like backbone pain and like eyes straining, and any of them like accessibility problem also, network, and one more, that is teacher can't focus on every student, so that this was also a main problem we discussed. I think that these were the some points were given by all. So thank you, sir.
Okay, Karan.
Friends, I am taking the opportunity to conclude the discussion. So we had a good discussion about the topic. So we discussed about some pros and cons of this online education system. First, we discussed about the cost, and we concluded that there is pros and cons related to the cost of the online education system. And we discussed about there is a lack of personality development for the students, and some students are not having the online access to the online access, and there are some medical issues also. We all discussed about these things, and we also discussed about some pros, like the long distance education is possible, and the students can attend the class at their own convenient time. But overall, we concluded that the online education system is not a replacement for a traditional education system. It is good in this COVID pandemic situation, but we should go back to our traditional online system in the future.
Okay, then now we go for Vatsal.
Okay, friends. On concluding, I would say that we had very fruitful discussion, and we came up with very good points that the cost is both pros and cons and the weaker section or remote places have also advantage that they have to travel less, but at the same time, if there is disruption in network, then that is also online education is also interrupted. And along with that, we have discussed that there is effect on personality development of students, and they are going to interact with lesser persons, and so socialization is also a problem. And after that, so we have concluded that this is good for this COVID pandemic period, but it cannot replace the traditional teaching. It can, but it has to be used as an assistant to traditional teaching, that it can be very much fruitful if we use as assistant. So that's
Okay, now Ashish.
Yes, sir. I am very glad to take the opportunity to conclude the discussion. And the discussion was quite fruitful, and everyone has touched every areas, almost every areas of this topic. Some of the people gave the applause, like this cost effective or cost management, and this time we can watch it at any time. And some of them gave the cons, like network issues, health issues, and the social life or personality touch or the touch by the teachers earlier we used to give in the traditional methods. In my opinion, I think that we should not see it as a replacement or anything. Every time we should not think anything as a replacement or something. We should also see it as a modification. In this era, we can see that different things like in our Android app, there are update available. So traditional method is very good, but we should not see the online method as a replacement. We should see as a modification and use it optimally. In traditional methods, there are many things, there are many pros, and we should focus. Pros are very good, but for cons, we can use this online education, and we can together with this traditional education and online education, we can make a very good education system, and I'm very optimistic about it because you can see in 4 years the Android system developed very fast and the network issue was very not good. 4 years before there was 2G, the network issue was not good, and this speed of this online or thing, this computer system is growing very fast, and double speed calculated by the scientists that every 2 years the technology means very fast it is increasing. So we have to be
Ashish, conclude
optimistic.
now.
Okay, sir. We have to be optimistic and don't think it as a replacement. Think it as a modification of this traditional education system. Thank you.
Okay, so let me tell you, this topic, online education, is another very, very relevant and important topic for your coming GDs. You know, I will send you some videos related to that tonight. Tonight only I'll send you, and most probably tomorrow we will have extempore related to this topic only. Tomorrow I will keep it early morning because then I'm
sorry, sir, to interrupt you. So what is this meaning of extempo?
I'll explain that. I'll explain that. So tomorrow early morning I will keep it maybe before 9 or something. You people pop up at that time. So maybe 8:30 to 9 ke beech mein I'll send you the time and you pop up for extempore. You will be given 3 minutes time. Extempore simply means in 3 minutes you are to speak about a topic, introducing the topic, telling about the details of that topic, and then concluding that topic. So online education is something which is very, very important, and I'm very sure this will be asked in one or the other of the your GD sessions. So you will prepare yourself for that, write it somewhere and prepare it, and then give your extempore in the morning. And to tell you about this topic now, online education, pros and cons. You know, whenever this topic, this kind of topics is given to you, friends, this is a very, very relevant topic for present day, because we are already undergoing the COVID shutdown situation. So I must say that online education has basically online education is a sort of a great boon as of now, because had it not been there, our infrastructure would not have been there. It would have been led to the lot of losses for studies for students. So no doubt online education as of now is a great boon. Now to go forward, friends, we should divide this entire discussion into two parts. When we are saying online education, its advantages, pros and cons, I presume that we are comparing it with the offline education. Yes, education does not have any cons. Education does not have any disadvantage. We all agree to that. Similarly, offline education does not have any disadvantage. Offline education is also something which we cannot criticize, which we cannot say that there is some disadvantage associated with offline education. That is the conventional education. When it comes to online education, why we are talking about the pros and cons, maybe we are comparing it with the offline education. Now in that direction, I think we should take our entire discussion, mentioning about some of the advantages, disadvantages related to that, and how we can basically remove those disadvantages and convert them more into advantages. Now, friends, before I open the house for the discussion, I must say that online education cannot be supplementary to offline, but yes, it can be complementary to offline. So use these terms supplementary, complementary. जो last में ये I think WhatsApp जो बोल रहा था last में कि सब replace नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हम उसको substitute कर सकते हैं. So that was, we cannot supplement. Supplement means replace कर देना. Complement means along with, use karna. Hybrid model will come, hybrid model. And I don't know why you people don't give the real examples. What are we doing now, right now? I tell you honestly, जब online module उतना evolve नहीं हुआ था, तो ये जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन चलते थे, I used to train students only as a teacher. If I tell, I used to train students only a particular region in a classroom, and that too in particular time. Just see what is the time now, 10 p.m. And yesterday we had extempore at 11:30 p.m. also. That means online education has given many advantages also. Now advantage disadvantage इस पे डिपेंड करेगा किस एज ग्रुप में, जिस एज ग्रुप में आप लोग हो. थिंक ऑफ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, उसके लिए ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन इज अ बिग बून. सो जो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल है, ही कैन नॉट गो टू ऑफलाइन क्लासेस टू लर्न दिस. वो तो बोलता है मेरे को रात को ट्रेनिंग मिल जाए, तो नथिंग लाइक दैट. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर यू गाइस. बट नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द किंडरगार्टन स्टूडेंट जो 4 इयर्स का है. 4 इयर्स के बच्चे के लिए तो ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन होना ही नहीं चाहिए. वो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ही बोल रहा है कि नहीं, उसको आईज खराब हो जाएंगी, अटेंशन स्पैन उसका नहीं है, और उसको तो सोशलाइजेशन कहिए, ही लर्न्स मोर इन द क्लासरूम एंड along with his peers than sitting at room. So आप लोगों के लिए ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन एंड किंडरगार्टन के बच्चे के लिए ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंस है. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन डिवाइड दिस एंटायर डिस्कशन. अब इसके एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या हैं कि जो चीज ऑफलाइन अगर ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट हो जाए, जो कोविड में हमने देखा, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन अगर ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट हो जाए, ऑनलाइन इज द ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट विद अस. नंबर 2, वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल जो जॉब में जाते हैं. नंबर 3, पीपल लाइक यू, those who want to make a healthy combination of offline and online. Number 4, if you want to take access of the professor, nobody knows where Priyal is sitting, where Vipul is sitting, where I am sitting, where Chandan is sitting, nobody knows, but we are in a classroom as of now. So same can be there if the professor is in America, professor is in London, so he's teaching you. So distance does not matter. So talent can be basically harnessed. So you are reading in a you are studying in a university where you want to study some subject, a mentor is not there, teacher is not there. What stops you from accessing now, learning it through online? Online education has revolutionized the at least engineering education, I tell you, because the biggest drawback used to be कि मेरे कॉलेज में तो सर टीचर नहीं है. तो अब तो भाई, अब आपको ऐसे कोई डर वाली बात नहीं है. अब तो there are so many mentors and teachers all around, you can learn that. ये उसके एडवांटेजेस हैं. डिसएडवांटेज क्या है कि आपका मॉनिटरिंग नहीं हो सकता क्लास के अंदर. टीचर स्टूडेंट का जो एक रैपट है वो पता नहीं चलता. आपका एक जो पर्सनल टच है वो मिस होता है क्लासरूम का. आपका एक जो अटेंशन स्पैन है वो नहीं होता. अटेंशन स्पैन ना तो पढ़ाने में होता है ना पढ़ने में होता है. आई टेल यू एज अ टीचर, व्हेन आई एम सिटिंग इन ऑफलाइन ग्रुप डिस्कशन, अटेंशन स्पैन ज्यादा होता है. लेकिन जब ऑफलाइन में आप चले जाते हैं तो अटेंशन स्पैन नहीं होता. समटाइम आई एम नॉट कंसंट्रेटिंग हियर. so is the problem with the students. so वो उसके disadvantages है. eyes and health के ऊपर वो भी उसका एक disadvantage है. so there are disadvantages, there are advantages, and आपको उसका healthy balance करना है. बहुत से points आपने बोले, बहुत से points मैंने आपको दिए, कुछ videos आपको दूंगा, पूरी रात सोचो और कल इसके ऊपर हम extempore करेंगे. बहुत important topic है. बाकी आप लोगों का individual feedback I will not give today because I found you are speaking, you are initiating speaking and all talking, but again I will say that classification करने की try करो. Introduction में classification करो. How you will classify that pros outweigh cons and cons outweigh pros. It is not a good way to classify. Pros and cons का comparison नहीं हो रहा है. किसी भी चीज की तरह इसके भी advantage हैं, इसके भी disadvantage हैं. लेकिन you could have taken a different route. You could have taken a route and compared it with the offline actually. ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, जब हम प्रोज एंड कॉन्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम कंपैरिजन किसके साथ कर रहे हैं? ऑफलाइन के साथ ही तो कर रहे हैं ना. तो उसके साथ करो ना ऑफलाइन का कंपैरिजन. ऑफलाइन के साथ इसका कंपैरिजन लेके आओ और फिर ये बोल दो कि नहीं ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन या एजुकेशन में तो कोई डिसएडवांटेज नहीं होता, लेकिन ऑनलाइन को जब कंपैरिजन किया जा रहा है तो उसके कुछ एडवांटेजेस भी हैं, ऑफलाइन के कंपैरिजन में डिसएडवांटेज भी है. और डिसएडवांटेजेस को हम एडवांटेज में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, वो विद पैस ऑफ टाइम वी हैव टू लर्न इट. तो इस तरीके से हम we have to basically push it in that particular direction. Clear? This is what we have to do it. So I will send you the timings for tomorrow's extempore, and ये सारे points copy पे लिखो. और एक अगर if you really want to prepare nicely for GD, do one thing, keep writing everything on the paper, copy and paper. जैसे अभी भी हमने discussion किया, कुछ points आपके दिमाग में, कुछ मैंने लिखे. टॉपिक का नाम लिखो, pros and cons लिखो और जोट डाउन करना स्टार्ट कर दो. This will help you. Write everything, practice it. This is going to help you. This is how it is to be there. Yes,
वीडियो सर अभी तक अपलोड हुआ नहीं है, तो 2 दिन का 2 वीडियो जो हुए जीडी
कुछ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन आया है. थंबनेल बनाने वाला जो पर्सन है, he is actually not available, but I have told him by tomorrow I think things will be done. They will be uploaded by tomorrow, right? This will be done, not a problem. Just ये जितना points हमको लिखो. हाँ
So extempo, you didn't tell about what is extempo.
I told you extempore is nothing but 3 minutes discussion, right? This means you will be allowed to speak for 3 minutes on a topic, this topic, in which you will introduce also, you will add the points also and conclude also. Individually, you will go and you will speak.
Okay.
That is called extempore, right? So when the situation becomes chaotic, sometimes he can ask you, now take it as extempore and speak it. Okay, now you speak it. Just suppose you have not participated in the discussion at all. Then you will say, okay, now Chandan, please talk about this topic for 3 minutes. That is called extempore, right? And you should practice that, because extempore, anytime he can ask you to go for extempore. Done? So see you tomorrow. I'll send you the time and I'll send you the topic also
सर
for
मुझे
tomorrow.
इंटरव्यू का सर टाइम दिया 10:15.
हाँ, वो टाइम है ना तुम्हारे पास अभी, HR में पॉपअप करो उसमें. That is HR, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.